Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to use Google Earth Studio. This process will be simple and easy. But before going any further, let me tell you something about the studio. What is Studio? Basically, Google Earth Studio is a map which will give you a 3D view of any location. And as you know, the 3D view will be more good. So the first thing is open the browser and in the search bar search for Google Earth Studio, and on the top you will get the desired link. Just click on it, and this one is the main website of Google Earth Studio. And as you can see, Earth Studio is an animation tool for Google Earth satellite and 3D imaginary. As I told you, it will give you a 3D view of any location. So if you want to try, then take a look on the right top. You can see the option of Try Earth Studio. You have to click on it. The first thing which will appear when you will open the Earth Studio is blank project or open project. Because we are creating our new project, so that's why I will click on this option blank project. And here I will enter a random name. The next thing is world will be Earth. If you click on it, you can change it to Moon or to Mars, but I will let it be as it is. The dimension will be 9020 to 1080 and duration will be 450. The frame will be 30 fps. You can also change it by clicking on it. Once you choose everything, click on the option Start. And this one will be the first look of Google Earth Studio, and it looks really amazing. You can see the Earth looks so beautiful. This one is the timeline, and this one is the editing section where we can add keyframes to any object which will be in the map. If you take a look on the right top, you can see the option of render and feedback, and on the left top you can see the option of file, edit, view, overlays, animation and help. Now let's search about any location. So for searching, click on this option search, and I will search for Tokyo, Japan. Below you will get the location. Just click on it. And here is my desired location. Let's zoom in a bit using your mouse cursor. And here you will see the 3D map. Now let's add some keyframe. And how can you do it? Here is the option of adding keyframes. If I click on this, then it will add keyframes in every angle, like in longitude, latitude, altitude. So that's why I'm clicking on it. And you can see all the keyframes have been set. Now let's swipe it to the left side. And the position has been changed and the keyframes are yellow. It means this location is not the exact position which I set in my keyframe. So let's go back to our position. If I change this line, as you can see, we will get back to our position. Time to add the next keyframe. The first thing you have to do is you will take this timeline where you want to add another keyframe. Like I want here. Now again swipe it to the left side. I think it's enough. And then click on this option add keyframes to all attributes. Now the keyframe have been added. Let's play and have a final view. And it look good. You can zoom in and zoom out by yourself. And the last thing is, if you think your editing is completed, click on this option render. Everything is set. You can choose your folder by clicking on it. Then your computer will be open and you can choose your folder. After choosing the folder, tap on this option Start. Then it will be rendered in your computer, and it was the primary way by which you can use Google Earth Studio.